Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share with you some amazing deals I've discovered online. Recently, I managed to save a whopping 70% on my Doordash order using a fantastic discount I found. The coupon I stumbled upon offers site-wide discounts, meaning you can save on any purchase from Doordash, whether you're a new or existing member. Stick around as I walk you through how I did it. So, I'm getting a buffalo ranch chicken wrap, 6 boneless wings, and a triple bacon cheeseburger, all for $34.98. 70% less than the original price, which is huge savings considering DoorDash can get pricey from the fees. Keep in mind this discount doesn't cover taxes, but it's still significant savings. The promo code comes from Feel the Deals coupon page, which is where I found it. They're generously offering this 70% discount for my order just from playing sponsored apps. Now I made sure this worked for any item. Before filming, I added various items to my cart, and the DoorDash coupon worked for each one. For more details on how to do this yourself, check out the video description. I've included a step-by-step tutorial that demonstrates exactly how to get these savings. All you need is a smartphone and a good internet connection. Feel the Deals is unlike other coupon pages you might find on Google, which typically offer only small discounts like 5 or 10%. It's completely free and only takes about 30 to 40 minutes of your time, and trust me, it's worth it when you're getting a 70% discount on your DoorDash purchase. Just follow along with the tutorial in the description. It's pretty straightforward. The first time I did it, I found the process to be quite fast. I simply typed in the brand name, clicked on it, read some details and savings tips, then scrolled down to the coupons and deals section. And from there, I clicked the show code button and followed the steps to unlock the code, which you'll see in the tutorial. The process is simple. You're rewarded for playing games through the Google Play or App Store. By doing this, you help boost their apps, allowing more people to find them and potentially earn more through in-app purchases, which is how they can afford to offer such great discounts. After completing the sponsored apps, you'll be directed back to Feel the Deals, where you'll find multiple coupon codes. Remember, each promo code only works once, but you can repeat the process with different sponsored apps. They update their deals weekly, so keep an eye out for new offers. The whole process doesn't take long at all, and in the end, you get a fully functional DoorDash discount. So check out the description below for the step-by-step tutorial on how to do it on your phone. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.